Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where hard drive keeps filling itself automatically for no reason on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So first of all, we need to check the system for malware. So run a malware scan. Search for MRT and go to the MRT command. Okay. And then click on next, full scan. Click on next and then let it run through. Next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Now here's what we have to do for this. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all the boxes here and then click on OK here and then click on delete files. And finally, you can perform a clean boot on the system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.